In this video, we will discuss about workflows. Well, we have already discussed about issue types. In Jira, we have different issue types, for example, story, epic, bug, etc. All these issue types distinguish different types of work in unique ways and help you identify, categorize, and report on your team's work across your Jira. But to define the state of an issue, we have workflows. So what is workflow? Workflow is a set of statuses and transitions that an issue moves through during its life cycle. It typically represents a process within your organization. Now let's understand how status and transition are parts of an issue. So what is a status? A status represents the state of an issue at a specific point in your workflow. And a transition is a link between two statuses that enables an issue to move from one status to another. So, in order to move an issue between two statuses, a transition must exist. We have different examples of statuses. It could be open, in progress, resolved, closed, reopened. And also, we have some possible transitions. Could be start progress, stop progress, resolve, reopen, and close. Jira has built-in workflows that you can use without needing to make any changes. You can also create your customized workflow. You can't edit the built-in workflow, but you can copy them and use the copy as a basis to create your own. Let's understand workflow with a diagram. In a default workflow, we have three status: to do, in progress, and done. Yes, these are the name of the status that we have in default workflow. So, a issue can be part of any of these three status if our project is associated with default workflow. An issue could be in to do, or in progress, or in a done state. If we move an issue from one state to another state, then we call it as a transition. Let's say we have an issue in to-do state. A user wants to make progress on that particular issue. While making progress, user wants to change the state of an issue from to-do state to in-progress state. So for that, we have transition. A transition is related to an issue which allows an issue to move from one state to another. So, the state of an issue changes from to do to in progress. This is what we call transition. Changing of state of an issue from one to another. Now, if we change the state from in progress to done, that's also we can define as transition. So now the new status of the issue is done, and the transition takes place from in progress to done state.